Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually Christmas and me and my grandmother had a seafood boil. So I said, you know what, I got these big old crab legs. Like, look at these things, are huge, from Costco. And I was like, I'm gonna eat these on camera because they are mukbang worthy. Alright, so I have king crab, I have corn, I have eggs, I have sausage, I have potatoes, and I have cucumber. So, and hold on y'all, because my friend you want a corn tea?
Thank you.
Because I had to do it first for the setup. But yeah, and this is my sauce that I do. It's kind of like the juicy crab sauce in Atlanta, but I do kind of my own version. And I got a recipe on it, and I'll leave the link down below. I don't know where to start. I love this sauce. I tried the Belle sauce. It's good, but it has like a sweet little kick to it in the back. And when I'm eating seafood, I don't really like a sweet taste, like a spicy sweet taste. But I'm gonna order it again and do the recipe again. I just wanted to follow it like directly how she was following it, how she said to follow it, but I think I'm gonna skip the Coke, cause I think that's what's really made it sweet, you know. Okay, let me get started. Oh yeah, and I grilled these. I grilled these king crab. Oh, it's so juicy. I grilled these on the grill. If you ever have them on the grill, I'm telling you, you're not going to want to eat them regularly boiled or steamed. They give it such a good taste. Ooh, this is so good. And I got this thing now that I can't eat a seafood boil without cucumber. And if I do just like sausage and eggs, woo, this sauce is spicy today. Cause normally it's not this spicy.
Yeah. No. It ain't spicy.
It is spicy. It got a kick on it. Yeah. I'm gonna have to tone that down tomorrow. See, this time on it, I had made double the ordering size on it, so I had put more kick and spice in it, so I think that's why. Definitely got a kick on it today, but it's still good. It ain't unbearable. Y'all, this thing's so big, it's like I'm gonna have to do wrestle with it. Shit. And if y'all hear me talking to people in the background, I'm talking to my friends. Oh, Jesus, it's a big piece of meat. Yeah. I'm literally having to wrestle with this. This is crazy. I have never had king crab this big. This is crazy. Yeah. I don't even know where to start. Let me do this piece first because it was falling off. Yeah, I know king crab costs a little more, but for the people that be like, they don't get full off of seafood and they don't feel like dealing with cracking crab, get the king crab. It's a lot of meat and it's like real meaty. And this corn is so good. Oh, my friend London, she go ahead. I see you eyeing this corn. Do you want it?
No.
Go ahead. Well, stop staring at him while I'm doing this mukbang. violate this corn, y'all. Alright. Let's go ahead and do something. I'm not gonna eat it all.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
As soon as I cut this camera off, y'all, he's gonna die over here. They can't see you. Anyway. Okay. Y'all, this is. Ooh, Jesus. Oh my God, I need lemon. I forgot I be needing some lemon. Yeah. It's so good. There's no way possible I'm gonna even put it in this. I think I'm just eating one. Yeah, it's so much meat. So, you can get a 10-pound box from Costco's. They have two different kinds. You can get the one for $2.19, which are smaller, a little bit smaller than this, or you can get the other box for $2.30 or $2.40. But yeah. Y'all, it is so meaty. It's crazy. I haven't been seeing people say they get those 10-pound box of crab legs from Costco, and I always got mine at like the grocery store or the farmer's market, but these are way bigger and they taste fresher. And these was $21.99 a pound, but like in the farmer's market, if you get something size like this, it's like $29 a pound. So you actually save, even though you have to get a box for, you know, a large amount at one time, but you still save. Oh, I want to know my face. Oh, I don't know if I about to say something about corn. So, the fresh corn is way better than the frozen corn when you boil it. My friend Linda put me onto it. It's way better. This sauce is spicy. My friends is actually gonna love this one, cause they asked me to see if I can do it spicier lately. Just that kick they want in their throat. Y'all, how do they do this in one sitting? This is a lot of meat. Think about it. Because I'm full. Well, if somebody can eat like 2 or 3 of these on one sitting, there's no way. I'm so full. Why am I so full? I'm telling y'all, that grill taste on the crab is so good. Okay. So good. Whew. So, I think I'm gonna upload this next week, even though today is Christmas. But 2020 is coming very soon. As a lot of you guys know, I gave up my Instagram in November because, like, I just.
Did you have? Really?
Yes, I haven't been on Instagram. You haven't noticed it?
Oh.
No, I haven't been on my personal Instagram. No.
Oh.
So yeah, see, my friend was just shocked because I love. My friend is shocked too because I honestly love Instagram. Like, I go on there and I have full conversations on my Insta stories, and I have like. And I have gained a lot of like friendships, genuine friendships with people I have met on Instagram. Granted, I have only met a small amount, like a handful of people. No, I met more people on we had a cooking class. I met more people there that came to our first cooking class, and I just love being on there, y'all. Like, I love being on there because most of the time I'm always alone anyway. So when I like get to talk and communicate with people, like, it was a big part. And then not even only that, that wasn't the bad thing. The bad thing was that I was always strolling, like on the hour, every hour on the hour. And it became like I could be using so much of my time in my day doing other things because, you know, I do own a business and I need to always be like coming up with stuff and like, y'all, this has been a crazy year for me. I'm not even gonna lie. Starting from the beginning of the year, even now, I'm like personally going through something. But I'm still optimistic about 2020, and I'm still like, I can just feel it in my spirit that like 2020 is gonna be an amazing year for everyone, especially people that are preparing themselves and that are truly manifesting. And like, don't just manifest stuff, y'all. Like, get up, talk to yourself, and do it. Like, my first thing, like, ever since the last quarter of the year, like, I've been changing because I've been going to therapy. I've always said I wanted to go to therapy, but it was something that you are kind of like, you want to go, but then you hear people like, oh, what you went to a therapist for? Especially in the Black community, they judge you for. But I went to a therapist, you know, like, that's a step in my life that I'm taking that's like a big jump for me, you know. And me giving up my Instagram and focusing in things that I know that I need to improve on myself, I'm trying to work on it now before the new year comes, because once the new year hits, I need to be reprogrammed into Bree 2.0. Like, I need to go, yes, he is not gonna let me live this video, but I need to just, I know the best, I know I'm capable of so much more, like, especially for me to have accomplished so much at a young age. Like, I had this company at a young age. Like, I was 24 or 23 with a hair company, and I have touched, I don't want to say some numbers, but I have touched some numbers. And it's like crazy to know that I did that. Somebody didn't even like finish going to college or anything like that. Or I used to work at home at DirecTV. Like, I turned something in that was a passion of mine, which is like hair and just the whole glitz and glam of a woman, period. It's like I love it. And for me to get up every day and to be able to work on something that I love, I need not to take that for granted. And I need to create. I need to, like, it's so much talents that I have, like, even beyond the hair. Like, I love to do content. A lot of people don't know this, but I love to do content, come up with projects and things like that. Like, I have so much equipment, y'all would be shocked, but I need to use this equipment. I love to cook. Of course, y'all know I have cooking with friends, but I need to go harder with that, because I'm not gonna lie, not to toot my own horn, but my food be damn good. Like, I've had some of my friends tell me, like, this is better than my mama cooking. No shade. But, you know, I just, you know, if I know some of y'all have seen, like, some tours of my home, that I'm good with home decor, like, old people. I love old people. I want to start, like, a old people daycare where, you know, like, have a little van and pick up, you know, older people who are, like, for instance, like my grandmother. It's just her down here in Atlanta, and, like, can mix and mingle with other old people, because honestly, I'm an old soul at heart. And, like, I'm the type of person that if I got friends, I'm cool with your mama, I'm cool with your grandma, I'm cool with everybody, because it's 8:20, 8:15. So see, at 8:40, I gotta do something that I don't want to do. But maybe I hope that I can talk about what's been going on the last couple months, but I have to get the clearance from somebody. Yeah, so, but anyway, with all that being said, if you have been having something on your heart, on your mind, something that you've been wanting to do, time waits for nobody, y'all. This is the year to do it. Like, I've never seen so many entrepreneurs, like, coming back. When I became an entrepreneur, it wasn't a thing to do. Like, nobody was doing it. Everybody was going to college. Everybody was getting a job. Even when I started doing, like, entrepreneur stuff, like, my mom was pissed. But my grandmother, she believed in me, and she was like, okay, go ahead. Like, you know. So this is the time now to do what you need to do to get to whatever your goals, no matter what it is, because you want to become the better person. Because 2020, Donald Trump is getting out of office, and I'm speaking that, believing it, and putting it out there. But not even only that, like, it's gonna be like so much stuff has been going on. Like, if you've been enduring so much stuff, like, like where you think you can't take it no more. It's just God working on you and teaching you lessons in this time period so that he can prepare you for the next chapter. I'm gonna give you an example. Me, I have no patience. I'm a very worrisome person when it comes to things. I overanalyze things. Like, basically, I don't have faith. Like, I'm the type of person where if I need to touch it, I need to do it myself. I don't trust nobody to do it. And not even saying that, like, if I'm a person of Christ and I walk with Christ, I shouldn't fear nothing, because I know that the Lord will take care of it for me. And he been throwing me in so many situations that I ain't been able to pull myself out of. Like I told y'all in the beginning of the year, I took a $10,000 business loss at the beginning of the year. Normally I'm able to work out anything and do it, and I was finding myself stuck. But when I was like, you know what, I'm washing my hands, I give it to you, God, I'm gonna let you handle it, I'm gonna move on to the next thing. And we bounced up out of that and I made it back. Anyways, but that just goes to show you, like, people that's been toxic in my life, he removed those people. Like, you can't play with people that are children of God. I tell people that all the time, especially people that are anointed. You don't want to play with these kind of people, because God will remove people out of your life so that you can, you know, progress and get to the next step. So that's my little speech for, I want everybody to be ready for 2020. I'm dead serious. I've been pushing so many people. I've been doing so much free work, helping people with so much stuff, because I want everybody to shine. It's so much money out here for everybody. Like, everybody can get it, and we can all, you know, just do it. It's no excuse. Anyways, I'm gonna sign off, and I hope y'all like this. I don't even know if we're gonna call it a mukbang, because honey, I got food. But anyway, see y'all in the next video, and basically I'm gonna see y'all next year, and I'm gonna pipe it up, because I should have been doing better with these vlogs, but see you next year. Bye.